Welcome to the fourth edition of the Haitian Film Festival in Montreal, Canada, where the theme this year is voodoo. So we're going to start by showing people what was going on in Montreal with voodoo and Quebec. So we're going to start with the entrance of the recreation of the Voodoo Temple here at the Museum Mosaic Art Gallery in Saint Laurent, Montreal. So this is the entrance here, as you can see, where the people have to go through. They have two sections. They have the exhibition side, and they also have a movie theater section. So we're going to start by going to the exhibition. That's where everything is going on. Let's go. So, of course, as you see the beginning of the exhibition, we have Legba, which is Saint Lazare in Catholic, and in Voodoo, he's Legba. This is Legba's altar. So we wanted to give people an idea of what Legba was all about, and we basically did the recreation with his colors and his theme and what he likes. And for second, we have Dambala, Tijan, Marassa 2, Marassa 3 et Aïda Wedo. Okay. So what we did, we included every little thing that we were able to include to show people what this section is all about. We also included local, but we didn't put any pictures. What we did, we put the accent to represent local and the lineage of voodoo. And here we have Yemaya's altar, as everybody would know, as La Sirène in the Haitian voodoo. So this is their altar with Agwe, what it represents for us. And we incorporated every little thing here and there to make it look as nice as possible. Of course, remember, this is not a real temple, so we did the best to really show people what is this all about. The whole point is to show people that voodoo is not devil worshipping. It's something that's beautiful, clean, and pure. And here we have a Scott Congo. We incorporated all the colors for the Congo section. And here we have Rada's escort, where we have Maîtresse Zuli Freda, we have Philomise, Manze Marie, Clémésine, Lovana. The ones who have no picture, we basically put the things that they love or the smell that they use or what they drank. So this is for the Rada section. We also incorporated Mother Lakshmi because in Hinduism, she's the one who represents Freda. So that would be the Rada's altar. And here we have Cousin's altar and Cousine as Akamede. The god of agriculture, as everyone knows, because he's popular in the Haitian voodoo.
Is that a saint?
In Catholic, it's Saint Isidore. And here, this way here, we have Escot Nago. We have Osai, Saint-Jacques, Ogou-Ferraille, Ogou-Balenjo, Ogou-Badagry. Basically, this altar represents all the different Ogus that we have in the Haitian Voodoo pantheon. So that's for Osai. He's missing one foot. He don't walk. This altar here is for the Africans. It represents the Africans because a lot of people know that most of the Africans don't use any Catholic saints to represent the spirits. So this here is to represent the seventh power of Africans. And we have Elegua, we have Oshun, we have Shango to represent the African roots because after all, that's where we got everything we have now. And now we're going to go in the section that's so popular in Haiti, in the Petro section. Of course, we have the queen of Petro that rules the Petro, which is Erzulie Dantor. We have Marinette, Erzulie Balian, Erzulie Mapiang, Erzulie Géo Rouge, Erzulie La Flambeau, Bossou Toakon. We have so many different spirits in the Petro section. And we have the last in all ceremonies is the Guedes. So this would be the Guedes sections. The spirit of death. And this will be the Potomitan that represents up and down. The last thing I'm going to show you is the booth that represents the National Confederation of Haitian Voodoo in Canada.
Alors, ils aimeraient savoir c'est quoi qui représente devant, comme ça ici.
Ok, je vais venir.
Avancer. Attention.
You got it?
Ah, ça, c'est les vévés, justement. Ça, c'est les vévés. Ça, c'est les vévés que je lui disais, que tu me disais que c'était pour...
interpeller les esprits. Oui. C'est la première chose à faire dans une cérémonie.